What's up, everybody? Back at it today with another video. Right now we're on the way to the shop. I'm meeting Tara and Macy there. Gonna be doing a little bit of maintenance to my car on the F. Y'all haven't seen that in a minute, so we're gonna be bringing that out, getting that all ready for the wheels when they show up. And then Macy, she got some new wheels, so we're gonna be putting new wheels on her car, on the Stink Eye Subi. We're gonna be dialing the fitment in on that, lowering it a little bit, rolling the fenders, etc. You know, it's gonna be a fun stance day at the shop. You know, a fun stance day. So we're gonna head on over there. We're actually almost there right now. I had to stop and get the necessities. Shout out Duncan for that. But Taro should be almost there, and yeah, gonna get to it.
No, I walk with the racks on me. Bad bitch want back, and you know she throw that ass on me. I don't want that girl cause she want me, cause the cash on me. Yeah, you know she capping on me. Dreadlock that cap on me. Back then ain't that on me. Now they all
Just got to the shop. Tara went to go to the gas station quick. So I did get the coilovers finished and got the axle in. I still need to do an axle on the other side because it's still clicking shit bad. Coils are on, it's low, it looks decent, not bad. I think it needs to go lower, but today we're focusing on this. There's an oil leak, as you can tell, the oil dry down there. Basically all it was just the O-ring on the drain plug. So easy fix, nothing crazy. So I'm gonna change the oil today on this, get this up and going. Macy should be here soon, and then we're gonna put her wheels on. I ain't gonna show them yet because I want her to show them. Got some oil draining, as you can see. Tara pulled up with the goodies.
All right.
Woo! Some Mogan David.
Supposedly it's rare as fuck. I don't drink this shit.
Golden pineapple.
Yeah, I've never seen it, but supposedly it's rare as fuck. And
That's
it's
for
good,
Macy.
So I bought it.
But yeah, anyways, chilling, waiting on Macy. Should we show them the wheels or should we wait till Macy?
Nah, they gonna have to wait for
All right, we're gonna wait till Macy gets here. But yeah, we just chilling, cooling right now, draining oil on this. It's looking pretty fucking dark. Sat all winter, so.
Yeah, I forgot to get chips.
Shit. Your shop day. That's good. Here we go. No crew stance shop.
Coming soon.
Carl figured out how to use the jack.
About time.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Damn, he got gloves on too.
Yeah.
Some cute bitch mittens.
Yo.
What are you doing?
But I'll put the wheel on.
The wheel on? You cambered it already?
Oh no.
You lower it?
Oh yeah, you have to.
You gotta slam that bitch. Yeah, spanner wrenches, second drawer. Yeah, we finna slam this hoe. We finna slam it. The big reveal. We're getting ready to test fit. We haven't done any camber adjustments yet or anything. We're just gonna test fit it to see how the fender roll is gonna go, but Macy's gonna show us the wheel here. Fire.
Know what I'm saying?
What we working with? What we working with?
Make sure. Damn.
Test fit.
Air out.
Air it out, cuz. We're gonna need just a little bit more camber, but
It's not even maxed out. Well, it's gonna settle a little bit lower. when
It
we
is
go
gonna
to the other
settle.
side. It's gonna.
but we need some more camber. We're gonna go for these camber bolts here, see what we can do. Get that in a little bit. Taro's getting there. I know he said he needs another pint of Henny, so that's what he's working for. But we got the front pretty much done. May need a little bit more camber. She might be getting some camber plates, we'll see though. I need the fender roller stat. That's what we need to do. We need to pull it just a little bit and roll it, but that's all it really needs. Other than that, it's going good.
That's max on the rears.
Yes, sir. We getting
That's
maxed.
stupid though, cause look at it.
What do you mean?
Because you know how the fronts, it's not gonna go down.
You went the wrong way. Taro's dumbass raised the bitch.
I'm dyslexic.
It's a rally car. Hell nah. We gotta fix this. Time to jack it back up. Taro definitely raised this motherfucker.
No.
We got the rear for the most part and the front. We really need that fender roller, but it's gonna be okay. We're gonna make it work. So far, this thing's looking fire. But we're starting the other side.
All right, yeah, on it.
We're gonna try to get the cars and majority of the shit out of here because next weekend is my last week here. So it was a good run at the shop, but time to move on. Bigger, better things. I'm gonna have a garage at the house, so it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be real nice. Not gonna have to make this trip anymore. I'm gonna miss the space and the working area, but you know, maybe one day I'll have that again. Hopefully. We're gonna keep going at this, getting the Subaru dialed in. Tell me how you really feel.
To the camera, Grant, we need that fucking fender roller.
Yeah, ASAP. Next side going down. Getting there. We getting there. Maybe I'll get the baseball bat out.
I was gonna phone book it.
Oh hell no. Bacon fenders coming in. Looking good though. Looking good. We're gonna get this side done and dial it in. The F is oil fresh. Fresh new oils. Got the underneath bolted up. The majority of the oil leak is fixed. It is coming from the oil pan a little bit, so I'm gonna be doing an oil pan gasket this summer on it. Probably at the crib, but nothing too crazy. I might be doing crank bearings at the same time. I only got the pan off, but we'll see. Right now I'm just kind of at a standstill. I'm waiting on Taro to get done so he can help me put the bumper back on, and then we're gonna drop her down and see what's up. Update, we got fender roller coming. Nate's about to pull up. I think he's here. We hear him coming. Got one
Shout
side
out,
done.
Nate. Bringing this.
Shout out.
Coming in clutch.
The other side's done. It's perfect. So we're gonna match this and then go to the front.
Oh, lift it, gang. That's how we coming.
That's really how it be.
You can't get the girl.
They stole my fucking heat gun so they could warm up. But anyways, update, fucking Nate's ass. He brought us probably what, the cheapest fender roller you could ever get?
It's called an Infinity.
Infinity fender roller. That shit broke, but damn, look at this. Woo! That fitment. That shit looks fire. Yeah, I got this side done and the other side halfway done, and the Infinity roller stripped out the threads. He's going to buy another one, try to get his money back for that. But we're gonna wait here for the other roller because we don't want to do it any other way. And I'm gonna try to lower the front a little bit more to match the rear. So while those two hooligans fuck around, I'm gonna try to get this sitting good. Update, Taro got back. We got the fender roller, so we going now. We on.
Macy drove the death trap there and back.
Damn. Valid. But we're gonna get this rolled and we're gonna show y'all how it fits. Surprise. Got my wheels on. I found some extra extended studs, so we Gucci. I was ready to rock and roll until motherfucker was dead. Need a jump box or jumper cables or something, because the front was aired out and now it's sitting on boards because I couldn't get the jack out from underneath it. But it's on all fours now. Not leaking too much oil. Probably still some, but be alright. We got it pretty much done. I think really the only thing left is for her to get some camber plates, but that shit's pretty damn close.
We go with the
Looks fire. Yeah, close that. Woo. Gas. But yeah, wrapped it up. Pretty simple. Nothing crazy. Just had to roll the fenders. But yeah, we're gonna go pull this out, test drive it, and get some clips. is hot.
Crazy. What
Damn, too.
why you doing that? What the fuck?
Linked up with Vanity. We're gonna go see him inside. He with freaky ass.
Oh no, you with Cornell.
He with freaky. Watch our parlays hit.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
What do you order? What kind?
Carolina Reaper fucking blazing.
I want to see you cry,
the
bitch.
hottest wings on the fucking menu.
He said, "Play like a champion today." Type
She
shit.
said she's giving me ramps. That's about it. I'll give you an extra ranch, but that shit hot. Yeah, I got that Keisha. Yeah, I'm still sipping.
This is was the Henny. What was it called?
Any hustle?
Henny Hustle.
Any hustle.
That shit hustling for sure. Let's hear the ice jiggle. Okay.
They just ate the first one. How you feeling? You didn't even chew. You swallowed.
Damn, like that.
Oh, damn, Taro. Stop.
They a little spicy, but
That's Cap. He's sweating. Look at him. His face turning red and everything.
this is like Valentina.
Look at his eyes. They watering, bro.
Nah, bro, I'm cool.
We leaving? That shit was good.
It was alright.
Yeah, it was alright. It wasn't that good.
It's fucking cold.
But we're heading home. Appreciate you guys watching today. We got the Subi all settled in. Fitment dialed.
Good night. I'll see y'all later.
But peace out. Thanks for watching, y'all. See you guys later.
Driving solo, I'm just swerving through my ends. When I'm sober, I just don't like who I am. Pull me up a four and I feel like myself again. Roll me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I'ma break every box they try to put me in.